What up? Monday morning, about 8 o'clock, 36 days. Doing pretty good for myself, if you ask me. Slept in the same spot out here in the woods in Natchez, Mississippi. See what else I can find in this little town. Another beautiful day in Natchez neighborhood. It's about 3:30. Just got back to the campsite. Left everything out here. Still here. You know what I'm saying? Went and rode around town. Hung out for a little bit, went over to the bicycle shop I found, and friend Bill helped me pay for a few things to get me in good shape for the road coming up. Bought me some extra brake pads, another spare tube. Ironically enough, I pulled up into the bicycle shop and got a flat right there. It was pretty strange. Went over to Walmart and got a few things. A chain repair kit. It's pretty cool. It's got 2 extra links and a chain breaker tool. It's only $5. I figure I might as well throw that in the tool pouch right there. I started getting a little sweaty and it's pretty warm outside today, and someone told me to go check the Dollar Tree, see if they got a good old shower for sale, portable shower. So I went there, looked around, walked up and down every aisle, and last aisle I walked down found one of these little numbers. What up? Check that out. Woo! So I'm about to take me a good old shower out here in the woods. Got my soap and everything. I got some swimming shorts on. I'm about to take this tarp right here. All-purpose tarp. Got a nice shower floor. About to fold that up. Clean myself, you know what I'm saying? So clean. Went to that place, stew pot today, and had a nice hearty lunch, absolutely free. They even gave me a box full of food to go for dinner, but I already ate that. Still hungry. Going to the grocery store. Home sweet home. Check it out. Snazzy. Natchez rolling out the red carpet for me here at the Red Carpet Inn. It's about 3:30 and I'm inside. Went over to Catholic Charities today and asked them if they wanted to hook it up with a free hotel room, and they said yes. So here I am. Still got my tent out in the woods, across the street, literally right across the street from where I've been staying. Got me a hotel room, so about to head over yonder, get on my dirty clothes, wash them in this bathtub right up in here. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, boy. Woods I've been staying in? Hotel room I got for free. Everything's still here. About to grab my dirty clothes, pack them on the bicycle, go back to the hotel room. breakfast. That's the first. Right, it's about 10:30. Got me and my clothes clean. I think checkout's at 11, so I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here before they kick me out. Thank God I got hooked up with this free room. Helped me pass some time waiting on these food stamps. It's been a good week so far. Let's try and keep it going. Alright, another beautiful day. It's about 5 o'clock. Figure it's time to cut in early and catch up on that rest. Got a long road ahead of me. Checked in with the food stamp office, nothing yet. Went and had lunch at the stew pot. Went to the grocery store, got some PB&J for tonight. That's gonna be alright. And sat around editing videos for a while. I'm gonna keep on keeping on. Alright. Yeah. Been here for 7 days, same campsite, waiting on food stamps. I sure hope they got them in the mail today. I am feeling bored. Alright, let's do this. I've been sitting here in the parking lot, Natchez Visitor Center, charging my phone and playing on it. Just called the food stamp office about 4:30. They got my card. I'm about to go pick it up right now. Yo, boy. I just made it back to the campsite. Thursday evening. It's about 7:30 right now. Got my food stamp card today. $360 even. That's pretty good. That'll get me through the desert, I'm pretty sure. Totally worth sticking around for the 7 days. I got a lot of rest in. Maybe $15 shy of what I rolled into town with 7 days ago. I got new shorts and a couple extra tools and some things for my bicycle, and ate a bunch of food all week. All in all, pretty sweet deal. Totally glad I stuck around and waited for that card. Gonna get some rest, wake up early in the morning, and hit the road again. Just got up, about 6:45. I'm excited. What can I say? Let's do it! Bathrooms, and electrical outlets. I'm gonna give me a quick charge, look up my route. Take long to get a flat tire. Gotta pull over and fix her up. Oh, there's a church right across the street. I think I'll head over there and do it. Oh no, it's pouring down rain. Good thing I'm in a hotel. Life sure has a crazy awesome way of working out sometimes. Well, made about 30 miles down the road today before it started to rain. Pulled up into the grocery store parking lot. Fred's, and met the manager or owner, I'm not sure at this point. Very cool guy. Introduced me to the owner over here at the hotel. Got me half price for the night, 33 bucks. Then he walked over, Mexican restaurant right in the parking lot, bought me dinner. Then mysteriously, somebody sent me $20 on the freaking Facebook Messenger. What up? You know what I'm saying? So 13 bucks less than what I had, and I'm inside for the night with a free dinner from the restaurant. Bam! That's what I'm talking about. Things just have a strange, awesome way of working out sometimes when you good God yourself all over the place. Blood up, Shazam! Yeah, that's a good looking free dinner right there, boy. Alright, just got up. It's about 8 o'clock. Slept great last night. Let's go ahead and check the weather. Still sprinkling a little bit. You can see it got pretty wet out here last night, but looks like some blue sky over there. I'm gonna go ahead and get packed up, get ready to hit the road again. Plan on doing about 60 miles a day. Let's see if I can make that happen. It's about 11 o'clock, so I made about 20-25 miles down the road. Stopped at this first little gas station I seen out here in the middle of nowhere. And the employees hooked up with this big old bag full of food. Look at that. Probably about 5 sausage biscuits and some sausage dogs for free. Thanks, God. Dang! There ain't no sausage biscuits. That's like ham, cheese, and egg. Fire! Perfect time for a gas station. Started to rain a little bit. What do you got? How about a soda? Oh no, yeah, I want one of those, or 2 of those.
I'll take them.
Yes, please.
What kind of, the big or small?
I'll
Small is $1, one big is $1.
I'll take those 2, the white and the yellow one, the small ones.
These?
Yeah. About 2 o'clock, 40 miles down the road so far today. Totally on track to make my goal of 60 miles, trying to make it to Winfield. Take a little break here at the gas station and get back on the road. Check that out. Instant espresso. Now I can add a shot of espresso to any drink. made it 61 miles down the road to Winfield, against the odds, against the wind, and in the rain. However, I'm here. Well, it's gonna have to be it for the night. Just barely in the national forest. Right across the street is that bicycle trail. That's why I came to Winfield, but apparently it's private property, members only. I don't know what that means. I'm not going down that road, I suppose. Saturday evening, about 7:30, sun's about to go down. Pretty freaking good day. Sunday morning. Sure is freaking cold out here, but got clear skies and the sun is shining. It's gonna be a good day. Time to pack this stuff up, head back down to Winfield, and try and plan a better route since this bicycle trail is private property and only open to members. I looked it up online last night. They want $25 to ride down it, so I'm gonna find a different way. Shazam!